Embark on a journey through the cosmos and the quantum realm as we unlock the mysteries of advanced physics and electricity and magnetism. Discover the invisible forces that shape our universe and power our world. Advanced physics, the frontier of human knowledge, extends beyond the basic principles to explore the complexities of matter, energy, and the very fabric of the universe. From the motion of galaxies to the interactions of subatomic particles, it seeks answers to fundamental questions of existence. At the heart of advanced physics lies the dynamic duo of electricity and magnetism. These twin forces, integral to the electromagnetic spectrum, illuminate our cities, power our devices, and govern the laws of physics at the microscopic level. The story of electromagnetism unfolds through the centuries, from the early observations of magnetic lodestones to the groundbreaking equations of James Clerk Maxwell. These discoveries have fueled the technological revolution, bringing us everything from electric motors to wireless communication. Electricity and magnetism are governed by four fundamental concepts: electric charges, electric fields, magnetic fields, and electromagnetic waves. Together, they form the bedrock of electromagnetic theory, enabling us to harness the power of these forces. Today, electromagnetism is the pulse of the modern world, from the gadgets in our pockets to the exploration of space. As we delve deeper into quantum realms and cosmic mysteries, it promises to unlock new technologies and even more profound insights into the universe. Join us on this electrifying journey as we continue to explore, question, and marvel at the wonders of advanced physics and electricity and magnetism. The quest for knowledge is endless, and every discovery lights the way to the future. Thank you for watching. Stay curious and keep exploring the mysteries of the universe.